Welcome to today's demonstration. This demonstration will be showcasing FileBound's solution capability within the Accounts Payable department. Today I'll be taking you through a FileBound Accounts Payable automation solution with a finance platform integration. So firstly, we need to start with invoice data capture. This can be achieved via scanning on your multifunction device, saving email attachments, or via a mobile device. Now with our advanced capture platform, we will identify the key data for extraction, as an example, who the supplier is, all the header data, plus optional line item information. Once capture is complete, we will migrate the invoices to FileBound and start the accounts payable workflow process. During this process, the invoices will be automatically routed for approval. Users can be either on-site or off-site with remote access. Once the invoices are approved, the invoice data will be migrated to the finance platform, removing the data entry element. Once the data is migrated, the status of the document within FileBound will be updated. Okay, today I'm going to take you through the FileBound to Pronto AP integration solution. So here we have the latest Pronto Cloud interface, and we're going to work with two suppliers today, one being Telstra, one being Benelon. So let's go and query Telstra first. And we can see our invoices here. What we're going to do is process an invoice with a sequential number on the end 13, so we can see that the transaction has actually happened. So if we jump over onto our Baylando, we've got a series of transactions here as well, and we've got another invoice coming in which starts with EF. So let's see how that happens. If we jump over to FileBound, which is a cloud-delivered workflow automation platform, we simply log in. Once we've logged in, the user is taken to their assignments page, and they can see that there's two assignments waiting in their AP workflow queue. Here are two invoices that are processed through our capture service, and I've extracted out the invoice number, the PO number, the invoice total, who the vendor was, the date, and some other extra header information as well. So what I can do as a user, I can open up both of these invoices. And through FileBound Workflow, I can route these invoices around the organization, and I can also geocode these as well inside the interface. So here we can see we've got some GL codes for this particular invoice. So once it's been GL coded, we can push this through the workflow and say GL coding complete. And the document's been moved on for integration. So what I'm going to do here is show you the status that changes. So inside our invoices project for Pronto, you can see my first two invoices here, and you can see one is still new invoice because I only processed one of them, and you can see the other one awaiting Pronto export. What I've also shown you here is that during the API process, we actually capture any API errors as well, and through business rules, we can route these around the organization to get rectified and obviously perform the integration task again in a seamless operation. So now that the data is awaiting to export, this is going to be issued over to Pronto, and we'll find the transaction inside the Pronto Cloud. So we can share the API integration information with the user. We can see that the status has changed to uploaded to Pronto. So now we can actually go over to Pronto, switch back to our Telstra supplier, view the transaction, and now I have my 13 on here as well. So what I can do for a backwards integration is actually highlight this particular line. I can go up here and click my quick link. This will take me straight to the document with inside FileBound as well. And here we have it. So any user can either go into FileBound to search an invoice, or if they're within the Pronto Cloud system, they can activate from highlighting a particular line and clicking the quick link up here. So in summary, you have seen today that we've been able to ingest invoices, automatically extract data, populating our meta fields, automatically route documents around our organization to our supervisors that might be out remotely, approve these invoices, and then migrate that data